hot in here. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright, so this is an exhaust fan that I tried to install last week, but the one that was purchased was too large, so the customer had to return it. It's probably close to like 80 degrees right now, so the attic is probably like 90. So yeah, I gotta find that place, get the new fan in, and it's like framing this here, because it does not appear that I can take that out, because that's connected to the drywall right there. And same thing on this side. So yeah, I gotta fix that mess. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, so I'm installing a commercial electric Bluetooth LED exhaust fan. Whew, what a night light. Alright, so I have to see how this one is wired. That's where I need to be. Over there, I need to move those wires over in that box and get this thing safer, because it's not right. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm gonna do the wiring first. Yeah, I'm hot. I ain't been up here long. Oh man, it's hot. So I'm try to pry this box up. Hopefully I can reuse it. Did I mention that it was hot in here? Anyway, I got my box turned around. I got slack on the wire, so that's good there. I got the box in place, and I got my wire that'll extend off to the new exhaust fan, and I got plenty of slack for it. So yeah, I'm gonna get all this stuff spliced in and then work on the fan. Oh man, it's hot. It is hot. I'm gonna get this stuff done as fast as I can. So I'm pretty much drenched in sweat right now. But yeah, I guess when they attached the junction box right here, I don't know what they were thinking about the fan, but it definitely didn't have long enough wire to reach it, so they pretty much could have just did what I'm doing now. But I don't know, maybe it was Friday. Construction work on Friday is just like, oh man, I want to get home. I don't want to worry about this. Just get this thing to work. That's how it is for some people. I used to work with so many companies, and Friday was my long day. Because they'll send me a home warranty job, or send me to do an estimate and the work. The homeowner might want it done that same evening, so I'll be there for, I don't know, like 6 hours. Yeah, that's just part of service. And the company always knew they could depend on me, so I would rarely ever turn them down on doing this service call that probably nobody else wanted to do, because they wanted to go home and do their own thing. Whew, man. Life of a master electrician. Alright, so in the box you got your instructions, then It's another instruction manual. One of the instructions is for sliding it under the drywall slots. The other one, the larger one, is for the whole fan. Man, I'm hot, so I'm sorry. Let me get something to drink in a minute. One is for the whole entire installation. It says it's a toolless exhaust fan. I guess that's because of it should be able to slide in between the drywall. I don't know how you would put the connector on. I guess like finger tight or something. And you got 4-inch duct, so you're gonna have to either extend your duct size if you have 3-inch, or just connect it straight to it. Then this one has multiple sets of wires going to it, where you can separate the lighting kit, and you can separate the fan motor with those two things right here. And this is the speaker and the lighting kit. Now the lighting kit has multiple color temperatures going from 2700 to 5000 K for the color. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I ran out of duct tape, so electrical tape for the wind. It'll still work there. Let me turn this around. Get that straight there. Because that wasn't going to attach directly to it. So, yeah, that'll work. I got that in there. This one is against the studs and stuff. I found out that it wasn't another wire that needed to go in there, so I did that. I fought through that, and I'm getting out of here. So I put this insulation back because I'm burning up, and if I stay in here for another like 20 minutes, I'm gonna fall through the drywall. Yeah, don't want to do that. Yeah. Oh man. Whew, this is rough. Welcome to the spring. So yeah, it looks like I got it centered in there pretty well, so I just gotta put the speaker light on there, and yeah, I'll be done. Yeah, I'll be lying if I said this wasn't a hard one to do. I still got another job to do after this. It's no attic work. Alright, so it looks like they have a color temperature of 3000 K for the other light in here, the vanity light. So I'm just gonna match that. So the speaker just threads in there. It only goes one way. There we go. I think I got it all. So it's gonna be some patching and painting, but it's there. Alright, here we go. Alright, I like the sound of that. Alright. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I listen to Alright, I did it. so this ain't falling. I made it to the finish line. But look what it took to get there. Whew. Alright. I need a swimming pool right now.